Megan here with WTI. Do you absolutely need silence in order to get a good night's sleep? Well, then you might want to try these earplugs by Peace and Quiet. My husband snores and uses a white noise machine to sleep. I only very faintly heard his white noise machine and I didn't wake up from any snoring. So these babies really do work. What I love about them is that they're pliable because they're made of silicone wax, which means that you customize them to the shape of your ear canal. That's what really seals out all the noise. You can just take pieces off. If you find that it's hurting your ear, just adjust it to a smaller size. Then you will have all the comfort in the world while you're using them. Some have complained about the stickiness of it. I found a little hack for that. Just rinse them off with water and all the stickiness goes away. They're still perfectly pliable, but you don't have to deal with that if it's a bit of a nuisance for you. These are great for multiple uses. They come with a traveling carrying case. They block out most of the noise. They're comfortable and they're adjustable. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.